Ellis is pretending he has the hiccups and is cracking himself up. Yeah. Are you pretending you have the hiccups?